Most of my buyers are looking for a space to work from home, and some of you need a more professional setting to meet with clients, colleagues, or patients. And that's where flex homes come in, aka work-live townhomes. They're the perfect solution, and let me show you my newest one here in Fremont so I can show you what I mean. So we start off here on the rooftop deck so I can show you how amazing this location is here on the Fremont Drag. We have the canal, the Burke-Gilman Trail to bike to Google in 1 minute, or Ballard Locks in the opposite side of Ballard in 12 minutes. The Aurora Bridge to the west, and Ballard Brewery is only 2 minutes away. Here in the primary suite of our flex home, we have ensuite bath, walk-in closet, and like every floor of this home, mini split heat pump for cooling and heating, and water views. Now here in the living space of your flex home, we have a continuation of the water views. We have oak floors, Blumberg suite of appliances, floor-to-ceiling windows with canopy views, and year-round comfort from your AC. The second bedroom in our flex home has a ensuite bath again, has AC, and has tree canopy and water views. So next to the resident front door, we have the office front door with the hanging sign that could be seen from both sides of the courtyard. Inside the office, we have 12-foot high ceilings, polished and sealed concrete floors, its own bathroom, and a door joining the residence and the office space. Going back to how amazing this location is, I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite taco places in Fremont now. The first stop is Flair Taco Truck, known for being a simple but fast, friendly, reliable fixture in Fremont. Next, we have Red Star Taco Bar, known for having a large variety of unique tacos and equally large alcoholic slushy spread. Lastly, we have Free Large Tamales, Seattle's famous walk-up tamale window with a giant indoor sitting area. I know we're on a taco tour, but I have to take this chance to show you their handmade tamales. Like and follow me for more homes and food around Seattle.